Good morning. Years ago, Warren Haynes wrote some lyrics to an Allman Brothers song that I just love. And there's mornings when it just gets me through it. It goes something like this. When you can't find the light that got you through a cloudy day, when the stars ain't shining bright, when you feel like you've lost your way, when the candlelight of home burns so very far away, well, you got to let your soul shine, just like my daddy used to say. He used to say soul shine. It's better than sunshine. It's better than moonshine, and it's damn sure better than rain. Now people don't mind. We all feel this way sometime. You just got to let your soul shine. Shine till the break of day. Let your soul shine today.